Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNSS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green line there is coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do is just adjust this level up here. Yeah, that level down at 65 still pertains. It's just not relevant anymore. From a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and adjust this level up to represent the newest area of support after today. And that would be up here at 87. And I'd call 87 that ideal level when we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Certainly if the price can stay up above 87. Now, with that being said, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 87, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above there, that would definitely be a big sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 87 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward. That's right up there at the 97-cent mark, give or take a penny or so. You can see quite a bit of price congestion right all around there. So keep an eye on that level right there. And that'll be the key battleground going forward. But really, resistance levels don't matter. I say that because what matters is what the price has already been doing. And that is just right here, building higher lows. So as long as those higher lows are built, or if you want to picture these as stair steps, as long as these stair steps keep going in the upwards direction, then that's the name of the game, and everything else will take care of itself, including breaking those levels of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidation and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.